Right, in this video I'm going to show you how to dismantle the original Omnibus Corgi Optare Delta. Now this is a very delicate one to do, and what you do is gently start at the back by prising, just like this at the back, gently though, because you've got glazing right underneath it. So in we go like that, and gently pop. Don't worry about the cracking sound. Turn it over that side like so. It's very tight going, this is, so be very careful because you've got glazing right underneath it. Don't worry about the cracking bit under the roof, because that's not going to be seen. So that's the back part disconnected. I know it sounds horrible, don't it? So it's very tough to do. Nearly there. There you go. So yes, all looks massacred on the top, but let's just get rid of all this masking tape so I can show you what the underneath is like. That's the whole reason of putting the masking tape on. I'm going to take all this masking tape off. Look, I want to show you that the actual glazing isn't damaged. So there you go. So all that, I know this looks a mess on here, but nothing a bit of glue won't sort out. And for things like that little chip there, just a black marker pen across there and it's done. But apart from that, there's no damage done to the glazing at all. That's just the masking tape glue on there, which is coming off. You can use Goo Gone on that as well. But there you go, just to show that the glazing isn't damaged. So the door comes out like so. And again, there's no damage to the door, so we can put all these parts here. As you can see, the roof is nice and straight as well. So one of the worst models to dismantle. And in there you can see there's two rivets. So what we'll do, we'll get the drill, the rivet, and we'll drill them out. Right, next stage is drilling the rivets out. One. too. So now the seats should just gently pop out. All being well. There you go. So that's the seats out. Put that there. And then what we need to do next is take the wheels off. And I use a tack remover for this. So it's just basically under the wheel and it pops off like so. Same on this one. A bit more difficult on this one. There you go. And that can be straightened up, or I might even get some new axles with the proper wheels on. But there you have it. Taken apart the Optare Delta, ready for stripping and priming.